So what is up, babes? Thank you all so much for clicking on my video. Welcome or either welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm your girl Kissez, and thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you subscribe before you leave, okay? So to all my subscribers, you already know, thanks so much for your love and support. Now, get into why I'm here today. Y'all, so me and my husband, we had like a huge debate. We always talk about makeup without makeup versus natural type issue, like all the freaking time. And I have to explain to him so many times, you know, that we as women, we feel beautiful natural. You know, most of us, I can't speak for every lady, of course, but myself, I feel very comfortable in my own skin. I do not wear makeup like all the time. I do wear makeup quite much, but not all the time. And when I do, it's because I just want to feel even prettier. It's not that I don't feel pretty without wearing it. It's just that when I put it on, I feel even prettier. Period. And I feel that, you know, my sisters feel the same way that I feel when it comes to these things. But he was talking about the contouring, and I was looking at some pictures, you know, of my makeup. Not that I'm like this perfect MUA, but the point he was trying to make was that he doesn't like contouring. He wish I could just do, you know, like a plain, you know, something more. He wants the makeup to look the same as the face. So the challenge here today is to do the most flawless, most natural looking makeup look, period. Okay, so I'm gonna try this out. I do not even really know where to begin because I always go for dramatic. Every time I try a soft look, it always ends up hard. So we'll see. All right, but y'all stay tuned. Oh, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my TV show. Y'all know we're quarantining, so I'm gonna kind of like get in my own vibe and just do my makeup as I would even when I'm not on camera. Yeah, I was saying that right. So you may hear me talk throughout the video. I may do voiceover parts, not really sure yet, but I'm gonna speed through most of this video for your time's sake and my time's sake. So real quick, guys, I just wanted to mention that all of the products used in my video will be displayed throughout the video and listed below down in the description box. And on a second note, I wanted to let you all know that the end results for this look really did show off my dry, ashy skin. I just had to make it a disclaimer because that is my own personal struggle. It has nothing to do with the products. I'm sure if you guys follow this tutorial or use any of these products, your makeup will come out just fine. And I just had to mention that because you will see how the setting powder just grafted to the dry skin on my face. But you know, on a good day, we don't be having that problem. I just had to put that out there. Back to the video. Alright, babes, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching. Yes, I am crazy, but I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already, and until next time, peace.